The most common mistake when using me too is replying with it after a negative statement. Hi, I am Suresh Kumar from Nile Institute of Languages and Education, Bangalore. Kindly subscribe our channel. Now let's see the mistakes. Using me too after a negative statement. Incorrect. That is, I don't have time. You say me too. No, that is wrong. What is the correct sentence? I don't have time. Answer is me neither or neither do I. Now mistake using me too for nice to meet you. When someone say nice to meet you, don't say me too. This implies it's nice to meet yourself. So correct is nice to meet you. Correct answer is you too. Mistake using me too to agree with a to be verb. I'm happy, me too. No, that is incorrect. While common in informal speech, it is technically incorrect. Correct is when someone say I'm happy, so am I. Now mistake is like confusing me too with I too. Me too is for object pronouns. She likes me, me too. While I too is for subject pronouns. I too want to go. Now let's see the quick rules to avoid mistakes. Positive agreement use me too. Example, I love this. Me too. Negative agreement use me neither or me either. Example, I can't swim. So you say me neither. Formal agreement use so do I for a positive or neither do I for negative. Thank you.